Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have an American ration. Now this is a tailored operational training meal, also known as a Totm, and it is basically a lighter version of an MRE. Same components, almost identical, just a little bit less. So yeah, let's have a close look. And I just want to give a huge thanks to Jason. He sent me this Totm, and yeah, I really appreciate it. He's a huge supporter of the channel, so yeah, thumbs up. All right, let's check this thing out. And right on the front we have Totm, which stands for Tailored Operational Training Meal, or Totm, whatever you want to call it. And we have the usual peelable seal. Plastic feels almost exactly like a standard MRE, just I would say a tiny bit thinner. And yeah, of course it's see-through. And we have some soldiers, train as we fight. This one was produced by the Warnick Company and the usual government lingo. And on the back we have the menu, which is chili and macaroni, macaroni and beef and sauce. Very nice. And some kind of scribble, I'm not sure what that is. That's pretty much it. On the back there's nothing else. So we'll get this thing opened up, have a look and try it out. Alright, let's get this thing opened up. We'll use our extremely sharp MoRE knife, made in Sweden. And this thing has a really nice edge to it. Let's get this thing opened up. Alright, and we're in. So we have some baked snack crackers or Cheez-Its, and these are relatively fresh from 2017, so it should be perfect. We have my favorite, the beverage-based powdered tropical punch, natural and artificial flavor, and of course no fruit juice. You know, you can't allow that. Just your standard FRH. And we're not going to use this for this video. I'll show you a different way to warm up your food. We have an accessory packet, just standard packet, some peanut M&Ms. They should still be good. Very nice. And we have some Applesauce. Stuff is pretty good. Just tastes like applesauce. And we have a package of pretzels. I like pretzels, so your standard MRE spoon. Very nice. And our main entree, the chili and macaroni. And we have the cardboard sleeve, which you can use to handle your hot food. And that's it. Alright guys, there you have it, the Totm. Now this is the chili and macaroni main entree, and we have the pretzels, baked snack crackers, M&Ms, flameless ration heater, beverage-based powdered tropical punch, applesauce, accessory packet, and your standard MRE spoon. So let's get this stuff prepared and try it out. Alright, let's check out the accessory packet. And we'll use our knife for no apparent reason. And we have a creamer non-dairy dry. This would have to be the first time I see it in this kind of packaging. Very interesting. We have 2 pieces of cinnamon gum. Cinnamon. A latex-free moist towelette. A book of matches with a reddish pink tip. These look a little bit different as well. A package of sugar. And we have a new different kind of coffee, and this is Cafe Genio instant coffee. And yeah, something different. Iodized salt and some toilet paper, and that's it. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys the new addition to the Sticky Fingers videos, and here it is. We have a new stove. Here's the penny stove, the one I always use, and I got this one from Shocker71, and he likes to call it the dime stove. So we have the penny stove and the dime stove, and we're gonna use this one today. So yeah, let's just get it out for you guys so you can see. This thing is huge. Open up the legs, like so. And we have our gas tank, so we'll just screw it in. Like that. And we'll open the valve. And there you have it, the dime stove. Just set it off to the side. As always, we'll start with the drinks and we'll heat up some water, so let's do that. We'll just carefully place it on our stove and make sure not to tip it. All right, let's check out the Tropical Punch instant powder drink. Here's our knife. And there you have it, it's just a powder. Let's get it into our cup. Get some water. Give it a nice stir. And there you have it. It's got a nice red color to it. It smells just like Kool-Aid Punch. So yeah, let's try it. Yeah, that tastes just like Kool-Aid. No real difference. Just yeah. All right, let's prepare the coffee. And this is a new type of coffee. I've never seen it before. And there it is. Let's have a closer look. And it just looks like your standard instant coffee. Add some sugar. Let's add some creamer. Just looks like standard creamer. And there's a close-up of it. Let's add some water. Alright, so while the water's boiling, let's dunk in our main entree. And we'll just let that cook for about 8 minutes and we'll get back to it. Let's check out our coffee, give it a nice stir. And there's our coffee. It smells really good. Let's try it. Yeah, it just tastes like MRE coffee. Nice, mild taste to it. Nothing too special, but yeah, it's pretty decent. All right, so I think we'll turn this off. And we'll let the residual heat just warm up the rest. And here we have the applesauce. Let's get it open. And it just looks like a regular applesauce. Let's give it a try. All right, let's try it. It's really good. It's very sweet. Yeah, it's the same thing as applesauce. Very sweet, same consistency and texture. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's check out the baked snack crackers or Cheez-Its. We'll get rid of that. Yeah, and it's basically Cheez-Its, as you can tell. Let's try it. And yeah, they taste exactly like Cheez-Its, very salty, very cheesy, and yeah, very good. Let's check out the pretzels. Get rid of this thing. Yeah, they just look like stick pretzels. Let's try it. Let's wash it down. If you ever had pretzels, that is exactly what they taste like. Very salty and crunchy. And here we have the M&Ms. And you guys have seen M&Ms. You guys know what they taste like. So I'm just gonna enjoy these. All right. Yeah, what can I say? They're just M&Ms. Very good, very fresh. If you never had M&Ms, they're just a chocolate candy with a crunchy shell and a peanut inside. So I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. And there you have the peanut. Let's get another sip of this. All right, let's check out the main entree and we'll put the sleeve to use. All right, let's open it up. There you have the macaroni, the chili, and yeah, it smells very spicy. Here, I'll give you guys a closer look. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's try it. Yeah, this is really good. All right, let's move it over to this bowl so you guys can get a better look. There you go. Yeah, that is really good. It's got a nice flavor to it. It's basically canned chili and macaroni, and it's got a good texture to it, good flavor, and just a tiny bit of spiciness. Could use more, but it's good as it is. I would have to say this is one of my favorite MRE entrees, and yeah, it's really good. All right, let's mess with it. Let's add some of these Cheez-Its. Add some texture to it. There we go. And there we have the chili macaroni with Cheez-Its. Let's try it. Yeah, that is a really good combination. Just add some crunchiness to it, and yeah, it's great. All right, guys, that was it. That was the Totm or Totm chili and macaroni, and I have to say the main entree is one of my favorites. I love the flavor and texture. I like that it's spicy and delicious, so I really enjoyed that. That was a real treat. Everything else was just fresh and really good, no complaints. I really like the fruit punch Kool-Aid drink, one of my favorites, and the stove performed flawlessly. Thanks a lot, Shocker. I really like it. Make sure to check out his channel, Shocker71. And yeah, I want to give a big thanks to Jason for hooking me up with this ration. And I want to thank all my patrons for your support. It's very highly appreciated. And I want to thank all of you. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. And yeah, hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.